Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you a detailed video to give you specifics on the installation of a Glide & Go XR in a Class A motorhome. In this particular case, it's a Thor Hurricane. But the installation is fairly similar, but it does change from vehicle to vehicle. So this is just a general idea. Yours may be different. So let's bring you in a little closer. So here's a very, very typical installation here. You'll see that this is, typically these are custom made. They're bolted into the RV right here. In this particular case, we were able to retain the handle, but that's not always the case. The units do come in black and white to sort of match your color scheme a little bit. And unit has a remote control right here. So we'd like to show you a few important considerations. So right up there you'll see by the awning that we've got a little room there. This is where the manual backup is. So if you ever did need to operate the unit under a manual backup situation, that does give you that option. And again, these are typically engineered. This one has a little cutout here for the interior, for the light there, and all of that is looked at by Access Unlimited staff when we're designing the unit for your particular application. Okay. Again, this one's customized around the handle. We actually cut these on our CNC cutter to be the exact shape that is necessary for your vehicle. So let's go over the outside stuff, and then we'll show you a couple of things on the inside. So you have a pen and controller right here. Your seat folds back. You can kind of see it here. A little pull cable there, and the seat belt for the unit kind of forms a handy little handle, allows you to be able to pull the seat up. Now you can take the seat, toss it into one of your compartments here, or put it inside. Show you a little bit about how the unit itself works and locks. Okay, so when you put this in the mid position right here, the unit floats freely. When you put it in the upper position right there, it will lock, and it will also lock in the lower position. And we're going to bring you right in here to show you this pin. So you'll see how the pin comes around the side there. So when we put it in the mid position, it rotates freely. But then when we put it in that position, it locks up real nice. So typically, when you ride, you're going to have this in the up position. Stop it wherever you like, but typically people like to stop it in the up position because that way you don't have any of the screw sticking down. So we put it right over here, and we're going to lock that right in the up position. Now for later models that are more recent, oh, by the way, if you run it too far, you'll hear a ratcheting sound, and that ratcheting sound is just the protection that's built in from the motor stopping. So we've also got these handy covers, which are also available, that allow you, they got Velcro on one side here, so we'll bring you in nice and close to see these. You can put that right over the greasy part and cover it up right there. Comes around, and then this handy one right here. this handy one right here. Comes on the bottom, keep it from moving around. Same here. And again, this is great for when you winterize the RV as well. This slips right over the top. Gives you nice handy access to this unit right here, and then that comes around and latches. So that's right there. Ties underneath. Okay, let's bring you inside, show you a bit more of the installation. Now, a typical installation is going to have step well cover. These are by default removable. In certain applications they can be hinged, but that would be an additional charge. So if you got quoted on a normal one, normally that's the removable one. This particular one is a hinged one, and not all of them can have a latching system such as you see here. Again, that is a custom order at an additional charge. Okay, and some of the older units don't have these features, and some of the older units do not have the lanyard. So we're going to bring you right inside and show you what the installation looks like. So this is a pretty typical interior view of an installation. Okay, often you will have to remove a safety, the grab handle on the inside if it has one. This particular one did have one. This is an example of a custom cut interior mount. This is just the particular shape of this interior, and that is all customized for this particular vehicle. Sometimes the wires will come out inside of a cabinet. In this particular case, they were on the outside. And there's your mount right there. That is a Velcro pad, so that if you wanted to have your controller up here so that you don't have to go down and get it, that's a lot easier. So that kind of shows you your interior. Often we'll put them inside of a cabinet. That would be very typical. And then sometimes we'll put them inside of an upper cabinet there. But we do always like to have the controller on the inside. So thank you very much for watching our technical video here on the Glide & Go XR. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 607-669-4822, country code 1 in the Eastern time zone in the United States. If you would like to learn more about our company, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. And also we're on Twitter at accessun, Instagram at accessunlimited, one word, and Pinterest accessunlimited, 2 words. You can also go to our YouTube channel, which has over 4,000 different videos showing you every possible mobility option at youtube.com/accessun. Best way to contact us, however, is accessunlimited.com. You just go there, click on the contact icon, give us a call. Evenings and weekends are no problem at country code 1-615-873-0518. Thanks for having a look at our product. We hope you like what you see, and thanks for taking the time to learn about the Glide & Go XR in a Class A motorhome.